Is man-made snow production taking water away from residents and farmers in the Alps? Hi everyone, my name is Günther Aigner and I am an Austrian researcher on the future of skiing. Today let's answer two questions. Is it true that there is a trend towards water scarcity in the Alps? Is man-made snow production taking water away from residents and farmers in the Alps? Let's start with some data provided by the Austrian National Weather Service. You may have heard of the famous Arlberg ski region. One of its villages is called Langen. In the first chart we see the annual amount of precipitation from 1881 to 2020. We see that those amounts can vary a lot from year to year. On average, the annual precipitation is 1,700 liter per square meter. When we look at the linear trend on the chart, we do not see any long-term trends in annual precipitation. The Arlberg ski region has not become wetter over time, nor has it become drier. Let's have a look at the summers. The summers of 2018 and 2019 were exceptionally dry all around the Alps. At this time, the topic of water shortages was heavily discussed in the media. But apart from those 2 years, we cannot see any trend toward drier summers throughout the last 140 years. The Arlberg region is just one small Austrian region. What about the rest of Austria and the Eastern Alps? You can find a PDF with references on our website in the videos section. Here you will also find an article from the Austrian National Weather Service. And they tell us, from the 1860s till 2021, the data does not show any significant trend in Austria towards more precipitation, neither in winter nor in summer. At the same time, there has been no trend towards less precipitation. A second study, which you can find in the references, explains that over the last 25 years, precipitation has only changed significantly in some regions and that these trends are not at all consistent. The Alps are not a dry area at all. For example, average annual rainfall in Austria amounts to 1,100 millimeters. This equals 1,100 liter per square meter. In Austria's alpine regions, annual precipitation is even higher, often reaching 1,500 millimeters and up to 2,800. But there are some things ski resorts must consider regarding the usage of water for man-made snow production. It is very important for ski areas to have water reservoirs. They should be large enough to hold all the water they need for the whole winter. Ski resorts can then avoid pumping water during the often dry winter month. The reservoirs must be filled in times of water surplus. There must not be a filling of the reservoirs during times of water shortages. The water for the reservoirs must be pumped from the same small rivers where the melting water collects in springtime. Then the water does not leave the local cycle. And here is another crucial message from today's video. The water that we use for man-made snow production is neither disappearing nor is it polluted. After the snow has melted, the water goes back into the local cycle. Even the water that has evaporated goes back into the natural water cycle. Now, let's answer our questions. Number 1. In Austria and the Eastern Alps, official data does not show any trend towards changes in precipitation, neither annual nor over just the summers. No, especially not if ski areas use reservoirs and fill them in times of water surplus. After the snow has melted, the water goes back into the local cycle. It is neither consumed nor polluted. It is not missed in agriculture as drinking water or in our river systems. For sources, please check our website and look in the videos section. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy skiing, the most fascinating sport on earth. Ciao!